Hello guys, I am mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to draw this sketch in SolidWorks in less than 5 minutes. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on New Part, okay? Now we have a new part in SolidWorks, and for drawing the sketch we have to choose a plane, and here we have 3 planes: front plane, top plane and right plane, or we can create planes in SolidWorks. But I will tell you what's the use of the planes, but for now just click on the front plane and choose a sketch. Now our sketch is open. Click on the circle and 2-point circle. You can use a 3-point circle, but I'd rather to use a 2-point circle. Now draw a circle. You can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center of the circle will be connected to the origin point. Now draw another circle here and another one here, and right click select to exit the tool. Hold the control button and choose this point and give it a vertical relation, and choose this point and give it horizontal relation. If you can't see the relations, come here, hide and show items, and you can turn it on or turn it off. You can see the green symbols here, or you can't see the dimension. You can turn it off or you can turn it on. So let's keep on drawing. Choose a smart dimension and give this arc dimension of 27 millimeter. Sorry, 28 millimeter. And all of these circles are equal, and hold the control button and choose this one, and this one, and give it equal relation. Now choose a smart dimension, and the dimension from this point to the point here is 82 millimeter, and the dimension from this dimension from this point to point here is 16 millimeter. You can see everything is turning to black. It means that our sketch is becoming fully defined. It is now fully defined. Now we have to draw the arcs. So draw 3 arcs here, here, and here, and the center of the arcs must be merged to the center of the circles. For doing that, hold the control button and choose this arc and the circle here and give it concentric relation. Choose the arc here and the circle here and give it concentric relation, and do the same thing here. The center of the arcs must be merged to the circle. Now we have to connect this arc to the arc here, and be careful, the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. And choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this arc is 27 millimeter, the radius of the arc, and hold the control button and choose this arc and this arc and this arc and give it equal relation, because all of these arcs have the same all of these 3 arcs have the same radius. And move your sketch a little bit and choose 3-point arc and connect this arc to the arc here, and draw another arc here, and the center of the arc must be outside of the sketch, and connect this arc to this arc. Now choose a smart dimension and give it 30 millimeter radius, and it is 10 millimeter radius, and hold the control button and choose this arc and give it equal relation. They have the same radius. And choose a smart dimension and give this arc the radius of 83 millimeter. And these arcs are tangents to the another arc. So hold the control button and choose these 2 arcs and give it tangent relation. And do the same thing here, tangent relation. And it is tangent to this one, and it is tangent to this one. And do the same thing here. They are tangent. They are all tangent to each other. So it is tangent, and this one is tangent to the arc here. Okay, it's perfect. Our sketch is not becoming fully defined because it is still moving, because this point must be vertical to the point here. And now you can see everything is black and our sketch is fully defined. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments and practice at home. It was very easy sketch, and don't forget to draw the sketch by yourself. Thanks for watching this video.